What is up, guys? This is Y'all Life back again with another video. And today, guys, we're going to be talking about the B token ICO, the future of home sharing. Quick note, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more cryptocurrency videos, and let's get started. So essentially, we are here on the B token website. The B token aims to be the first decentralized home sharing network. As you can see here, the ICO is going to be released on January 31st. And some quick notes about the B token is that they're trying to create this thing called the BNES, which essentially allows for more hosts, more guests, more listings, and more value is then added back to the users. And this is essentially going to happen because they charge zero commission fees. I said that, zero commission fees. As you can see here, we'll scroll down here. Some of the problems with other companies and institutions is that they typically charge a transaction fee, and with the BNES network, there's going to be zero commission fees there. As you can see here, it says here, hosts and guests end up paying for some platform fees, 3 to 15% on some centralized home sharing platforms. Some financial institutions such as Visa and MasterCard charge, 3%. Some foreign transaction fees are 3%. Some currency conversion fees are 1%. And, what the BNS simply charges is 0% commission fees to the host and guests, which in then terms allow more guests to join the platform and allow more hosts to create listings, and then does create the BNES network, which allows anyone to join and list their property or get a rental property for themselves instead of using your traditional hotels or Airbnbs at the moment there. So this is a quick overview on the white paper. You guys can definitely take a look at it. And then right here as we scroll down, we have this section here for increased security and trust. So basically they have this kind of a scoring system here for their security, where basically it starts off at 0 for a user signed up but they didn't provide a wallet address, and then you have your second tier there, which is low, 1 to 5. The user authenticated by providing a wallet address along with the name and email, some basic information there. Then we have a neutral security level there, where the user uploaded a valid driver's license, passport, etc. And then we have some higher security requirements there, where they've either booked or hosted a property. And then we have the highest one there, which is they gave a review of to the host or a guest. These will come into play later, where there is going to be some potential, as you can see here, BNES handles updating the reputation scores in the protocol and pulls the scores whenever needed in case of a conflict. And that's going to be very important for just handling any situation between a host or a guest in a dispute that involves payment of some damaged property, or anything that were to happen, such as an injury inside the guest's home, between the host and the guest. And this will be a great security system and a reputation system to kind of set everyone up for a safer and a more enjoyable experience there. So that's going to be one section of the white paper. You guys can definitely take a look at it deeper into it in the future. Whenever you guys look at this. So, that's one section. And then, we have this last section here, which is the kind of a 5-step process here for the BNES. As it's stated here, BNES initializes payment and allows guest hosts to pay. Payment protocol, in case of a dispute, tokens are removed into arbitration. You have the arbitration protocol. Arbiters get their reputation modified based on results. And then, this comes back down to the BNES checks the status of arbitration to update guests and hosts. Just a really good development cycle there. For the BNS to definitely check over everything. And we'll jump into the some quick pointers here on the website. So as you can see here, as I've stated, 0% commission fees, align incentives, tokens distributed through the presale and ICO, security, bank level security through blockchain technology, and then trust, just with that reputation system that is built there for the B network. And then you scroll down here to the roadmap. As you can see here, the white paper was completed in the Q3 to Q4 2017. They have a BNES Alpha Live in San Francisco in Q1 to Q2. Launch B protocols on testnet, Q3 to Q4. Launch B protocols on the mainnet and onboard 2 to 5 dApps, decentralized apps on the B protocol. And then 2019 have some good big goals there to expand up to 5 U.S. cities. And then as you can see here, the token distribution details. The private presale, which already sold out, had a hard cap of around 5 million. The public presale also, was already is not available for the public there. That's for definitely accredited investors. And then we have here the public sale, which is going to be released here from the January 31st to February 28th, with a hard cap of 5 million. And then, you'll be able to purchase that with a minimum of zero point 0.1 ether, which is at this current time is around $100. So that's going to be that for the token sale. So right here, token supply, as you can see here, total supply of 500 million B tokens. The public sale amount will be 15 million, which is a pretty good amount for an ICO there. Token distribution here is going to be about 30%, so that's going to be around 150 million B tokens available for the public to purchase. And then right now we get into this team, a really, really good team, as you can see here. Co-founder and CEO Jonathan, former lead at Uber. We have Tony here, former engineer at Uber. Jordan here, former head of product at Facebook. Some guys here from the Google Cloud. One person here from Civic, another person from Google. So this team is pretty stacked if you guys just want to check them out. And you guys always want to bet on a good team, and this ICO has a really, really good team here. We'll scroll down here to the advisors. And, right here we have Richard, co-founder of QuantStamp. We have Kane, co-founder of Enigma and CPO of Enigma. We have Kevin Zhao, co-founder at Gallus Capital, and former head of trading at Kraken, really big exchange there in the cryptocurrency space. So advisors looking really good. The B tokens teams looking really good there. Partners with a couple of companies here, Origin Connex, and then Rentiv, Kudos, and then as you can see here, you guys can definitely check out their media posts here on the B network there. So that's going to be it, guys, for the B token ICO. If you guys are really interested, definitely check it out. This team looks really good. The project looks really good. And if you guys want me to do any more ICO reviews in the near future, just let me know in the comment section below. And that's going to be it for my video today, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one.